technology is becoming a part of everything we do. Every day, we work with documents, spreadsheets, images, reports, and repetitive tasks that take up valuable time. But what if technology could make those tasks simpler? That is exactly why TradeNovaTech was created. TradeNovaTech is focused on building practical AI and automation solutions, productivity tools, and custom software that help individuals, freelancers, professionals, and businesses work more efficiently. Our goal is simple: build tools that solve real-world problems, whether it's merging PDF files, compressing documents, automating Excel tasks, processing images, generating QR codes, or developing custom automation solutions. We believe technology should save your time, not waste it. This is only the beginning. We're continuously working on new tools, improving existing solutions, and developing software that makes everyday work easier and more productive. On this platform, we'll regularly share new tools, feature updates, software demonstrations, productivity tips, automation ideas, and behind-the-scenes development as we continue building TradeNovaTech. If you're someone who enjoys technology, automation, or simply wants to work smarter, you're in the right place. We're excited to have you with us on this journey. Thank you for your support. Welcome to TradeNovaTech. Automation, integration, intelligence.